The term Epstein Files is not the name of one single official document. It is a collective term used by the media and the public to describe court records, investigation files, flight logs, emails, contact books, and sworn testimonies connected to Jeffrey Epstein, a U.S. financier convicted of sex offenses involving minors. Jeffrey Epstein was born in 1953 in New York, USA. He presented himself as a wealthy financier with elite connections, though the exact source of his wealth was never fully explained in court. By the 1990s and early 2000s, Epstein owned multiple luxury properties, including a mansion in Manhattan, an estate in Palm Beach, Florida, a ranch in New Mexico, homes in Paris, and a private island in the U.S. Virgin Islands. He maintained relationships with politicians, business leaders, academics, and celebrities. These associations later became a major focus of public attention, though association alone does not equal criminal guilt. First criminal case, 2005 to 2008. In 2005, the Palm Beach Police Department began investigating Epstein after multiple complaints that underage girls were being paid for massages at his Florida residence. The investigation identified dozens of alleged minor victims. Despite the evidence, in 2008 Epstein entered a non-prosecution agreement with federal prosecutors. He pleaded guilty to state charges of soliciting prostitution involving a minor. He served 13 months in jail, mostly on work release. Federal charges were dropped. This plea deal was later widely criticized by legal experts and victims' advocates, and was described by a U.S. federal judge as illegal because victims were not properly informed. Rearrest and federal charges. 2019. In July 2019, Epstein was arrested by federal authorities in New York and charged with sex trafficking of minors. Federal prosecutors alleged that he had abused and trafficked underage girls between 2002 and 2005 and had paid them to recruit other minors. As part of the federal case, large amounts of evidence were collected, including flight logs from Epstein's private jets, contact lists, financial records, victim testimonies. Many of these materials later became public through court filings, media investigations, and civil lawsuits. These documents are what the public refers to as the Epstein Files. Death of Jeffrey Epstein. On August 10, 2019, Epstein was found dead in his jail cell at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York. The official ruling by the New York City Medical Examiner was suicide by hanging. Multiple failures were later acknowledged by the U.S. Department of Justice, including guards failing to conduct required checks, malfunctioning or missing camera footage. Despite widespread public suspicion, no court or official investigation has ruled Epstein's death a homicide. Ghislaine Maxwell case. One of the most important legal outcomes connected to the Epstein files involved Ghislaine Maxwell, Epstein's longtime associate. In 2021, Maxwell was tried in U.S. federal court and convicted of sex trafficking of minors, conspiracy to recruit and groom underage girls. In 2022, she was sentenced to 20 years in federal prison. This conviction is fully established and based on witness testimony and evidence presented in court. Public release of names. Some Epstein-related documents include names of well-known individuals. It is critical to state a verified fact. Being named in Epstein-related files does not mean a person committed a crime.